Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. This is going to be an update about Shib Inu coin. If you look at my previous video in the last 24 hours, I mentioned that I was crying out loud, everybody should buy the coin because I know it's going to go higher than this. So if you had bought it from my video because you watched my video or you bought it in the last 24 hours, I want you to comment down below. If you are holding, I want you to comment below that you are holding. Welcome to this channel. If you are new here, I want you to subscribe to the channel because I'll be dropping updates every single day about Shib Inu coin. And if you want others to find this video too, I want you to like so that the YouTube algorithm will continue to share this video with many more people. Shib Inu coin is getting popular and popular every day. As of last week, Shib Inu coin was ranked around 79 coin on the list, but now it's at 29. Slowly it is climbing up the ladder. The more it gets up, the more people will begin to trust this coin and the more people are going to buy this coin. So we're interested in getting more people to be invested in this coin because the more investors, the more profits we'll make. Few years ago, DogeCoin was just like this. DogeCoin had this exact value, but as you can see, DogeCoin was getting close to $1. Right now, Shib coin is at this price, and as you can see, it is going up. In the last 24 hours, it has risen by 7%. So whoever bought it according to my video in the last 24 hours must have seen a 7% increase in the amount of money he invested in. This only works well for people who invested large sum of money. If you're interested in investing in Shib Inu, it's best you put in a large sum of money. Although this is not financial advice, but to see reasonable profits over a short period of time, you only need to invest a large sum of money. Imagine using $10 to buy millions of Shib Inu and it rose by 7%. 7% of $10 is nothing. So if you want to see reasonable um profit, you need to invest a little bit larger sum of money. Maybe you could get around $1,000, 5,000, but mine I invest in 10,000 and above. So if you think it will go higher than this in the next 24 hours, I want you to comment down below. Actually, on coin market cap you can see that there are more than 900,000 people currently watching this coin right now. There are over 900,000 people currently watching this coin. There are other cryptocurrencies that do not get this kind of attention from the market. I'm telling you facts. There are other cryptocurrency that does not get this kind of cryptocurrency. Many people are saying that Shib coin has already reached its peak, which was at this point, that it will never reach this peak again. But I'm telling you, this peak only happened because many exchanges were including Shibcoin in their platform. That is the only reason why there was a peak like that, because many exchanges are putting it on their platform. So do not think it already had a peak. Dogecoin also had a peak like that, but today we can see how it has increased. So as you can see, Shibcoin is getting more watches, is getting more people being interested in the coin. So let's look at Dogecoin to see if it's having a equivalent type of um, watch list. So we're going to go to our browser and type coin market cap, coin market cap doge dogecoin dogecoin. So we want to see in between these two coins to see which one has the highest um number of watches. As you can see, Shibcoin has 956,000 and Dogecoin has 981,000. As you all know, Shib is constantly chasing Dogecoin and very soon it's going to overtake it. very soon it's going to overtake it. So if you have noticed, in the last 24 hours, majority of the crypto coins here had increased in value, including Dogecoin. So if you had Dogecoin like me, you must have seen a 21% increase in your portfolio in the last 24 hours. If you were using Shib coin, you must have seen the 7% increase, although it is something only if you invested a large sum of money. So what is my prediction in the next few days about Shibcoin and Dogecoin? But this video is all about Shibcoin. So right now is not the best time to buy the coin. Right now is not the best time to buy it. I'm going to make a video about the best time to get into the market and buy Shibcoin. Right now is not the best time. I'm going to show you the reason why. Let me see if I can zoom this chart so that I can tell you why right now is not the best time. The reason why is because Shibcoin right now is in an upward trend. So if you didn't buy it about a day ago, if you didn't buy it when it was low, then you must have missed out on this trend. So don't buy it now. You're only buying it now if you believe you'll buy more in future. So if you just want the short profit, like I do, because I'm not doing this long term, imagine if I do it at the right time and I get the short profit, I'm more profitable than anybody that is doing it on the long term. The reason why I do not encourage people to do it on the long term is because of this statement by Binance. Binance clearly states that Shib Inu, the Shibcoin, is an experiment. It is still an experiment. This was written May 10. So do not do this long term, because who knows, one day you can wake up and you notice that this coin is no longer available in the market. So do it for the short term profit. Buy low and sell high. So this is not the right time for you to buy the coin, because it's already on the high side. If you had bought it here, very good, but it is already on the high side. So my prediction is hold on a little bit small. I'm going to tell you the best time to buy the coin. I'm going to tell you the best time to buy the coin. As you can see here, up, I'm using the 7-day chart. Up, down, up, down. Now it's going up. So that's not the best time to go. This is not the best time to enter. I'm going to make a video about the best time to enter. So if you knew you made profit yesterday, I want you to comment down in this video that you made profit. But if you did not, let me know about it too in the comment down below. I believe Shib coin is going to go higher than this. The reason why I believe it will go higher than this is that people are looking at it as a competition against Dogecoin. So many people are converting their Dogecoin to Shibcoin. So if you're among the people who converted the Dogecoin to Shibcoin, let me know in the comment section. Do not forget, if you're new in my video, like the video so that more people will see this video, and also subscribe to the channel. It's going to be very helpful for me. So if you missed out, if you didn't buy it, don't buy it now. I'm going to create a video about the best time to buy the Shib coin. Do not buy it now. We're on the high side now. It's eventually going to go low. Those who wanted quick profits can take out whatever they have gotten now. I've made my 8% profit and I've taken out my money as soon as possible. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for my next video. If you didn't see my prediction about this upward trend, I want you to watch the previous video about it. Peace.